Hi guys, very good evening. Hope you are all having a very pleasure evenings. Correct. So I'm here, the founder and director of 360 Kitchen Networks. Right. Um, as you are aware, like I'm a co-founder of PHR Consultant company too. Right. So where we provide the turnkey consultations for the hotels and restaurants on a pan-India level. I have been numerous time awarded as a best hospitality consultant on a pan-India level for my valuable contributions, right, and helping the restaurant brands to scale bigger, right, on a across India, right, and also on the key speaker on the major restaurant forums, right. So where I speak on the latest trends, what are the futures, right, the industry is going on, right. So today I'm here to give you the limelights, right, of what is a kitchen network platform, right. uh, in a short view, I'll give you an example, right. See, kitchen network is a platform, right, where we are bringing the best brands, sharing this platform for the best brands, right. So where they would be co-working under a big space, big kitchen of us, right, and thereby expanding their delivery presence. Got it? So if a brand has a good presence, probably in Lower Parel, we can get that brand. If that brand is good, we can definitely provide our kitchen network services platform for the brand to open up in Malad, thereby capture the Malad market, right, and create a new business opportunity and tap up the new market. See, guys, India delivery market is booming rapidly, right, and 100% growth is there in the delivery business, right, and it is going to be there for the current 10 years. It is a robust market, right. So this is the best time to win, and since it's our DNA to be always a problem solver for the industry, we have created this platform so we can help the brand to expand, right, without much capital expenditure. So that's the beauty, right, because we have ready-made built kitchens, right, with the proper facilities, everything, right. Brand can just start the operations in 2 to 3 days, right. We have all the setups ready, correct. You get the benefit of the softwares solutions which we have, right. We have the vendor sourcing network to help you source the materials, right. We have another stream of another venture of our company into the digital marketing, where we can also help you out to give you the support if you want to use our digital platform technology to create your ads and create more momentum, right. So already this all things we have in house, right. Also we can help you out with the private consultations if you want to tweak your menus, right, create more robust things, attire your things as per the area demographics, right. So all these things is possible, right, because you are part of a group company, right. So all this benefit we are going to pass on to the brand who intend to come up into our platforms, right. So that is so is it delighting you guys? I hope so. Yes, this is the biggest opportunity I can provide you, right. So you all guys also can expand very robustly, right, create your bigger market share by expanding through our networks into the different prominent delivery locations on a pan India level, right? And create a robust future for your brands, right? So that's a also along with that you get lots of benefit since you are coming into the community of all the leading restaurateurs, right? So exchange of thoughts, exchange of values, knowledge sharing platform. That's the immense benefit which the no money can buy it, right? So again, you would be having the benefit of working in a big community of us, right? Kitchen Network business community that we will call it, right? And so huge knowledge sharing, huge expansion plans, right? You all also guys can benefit through that and scale up your models. That's what we want. We want you all guys to use our leverage our platform and grow big, right? So this is the short note I want to end my video, right? So hope you guys understand this, and for more information you can check our subscribe our Facebook page is there, right? 360 Kitchen Networks. You will get all the list of information. You can also contact our board line numbers. Our team is always ready to help you out with more informations, right? So get in touch guys, because it's a I would say once in a lifetime opportunity for the brands, right? Definitely if your brand is good, definitely we will take you on our platform and would be happily collaborating with you all guys, right? And we can grow together, right? So that's what our intentions, right? So stay tuned, subscribe the platform, right? And for more information get in touch with my team, right? They will help you out in a much better way, correct? So pleasure talking to you guys. Have a great evening. Thank you.